wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, hi there. I was just singing my favorite Christmas song. Now, since it's Christmas, what is better than the most amazing gingerbread cookie you have ever tried? And I'm so excited for this recipe, and it's going to be so good. I promise you that. And for these amazing gingerbread cookies, the things you will need is some butter, some brown sugar, molasses, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, ground cardamom, and ground ginger. So, the first thing you need to do is mix all the dry ingredients, which is our flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and all these spices. I'm not saying them all again, okay? So first, we'll put those in. Oh, I love a good spiced gingerbread. And now, we will just put this to the side. And in this bowl, we're gonna add all of our ingredients, which is our brown sugar, our softened room temperature butter, our molasses. It's so thick. It really gives you that nice color and taste when you bake the gingerbread, but it's hard to get out the whisk. Okay, and then put in our vanilla extract, and we're gonna give it a good stir. Oh my God, it smells so good in here. You know what it smells like? It smells like Christmas. Now we're gonna add in our delicious buttery goodness that I feel like eating straight away right now into our flour mixture, like that. Oh, look at how good that looks. I feel like eating it right now. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this up. So yesterday, I had made this dough, and I had already, this is already been rested for 1 hour, obviously. But you have to let your dough rest for 1 hour. And then over here I have my baking sheet. And then we're gonna take our dough over here. And we're gonna add a little flour. We're gonna just roll it out. I want the dough to be at least like 1/2 inch thick. Wait, let me put this over here so it doesn't like bother me. So I've rolled it about 1 inch thick, and I'm sort of confused on how I should transport it to my tray. So I'm gonna take my parchment paper, and I'm going to just like squish it here. And if you have any tips, please notify me. That'd be helpful. And I love listening to everything you guys say. It's very helpful. There. And now, I'm going to take my cookie cutter, big gingerbread man, and we're gonna cut this ginormous piece of art. And then we're gonna also do this nice little gift box later. First, we're just gonna do this, and then we'll put it inside the oven. So here I've made this ginormous gingerbread man, the star, and this cute little present. And now I'm gonna open our oven. I've preheated it to 350, and I'm gonna put it in for about 15 minutes first, and then I'll check and see if I need more baking time. Now, while our cookies are baking, we're gonna make the royal icing for it. So the first thing you need is our powdered sugar, milk, and you can use vanilla extract and just make it like a regular royal icing, but in this house, there is never anything basic here. So we're using pumpkin spice. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some powdered sugar. Now, understand this is gonna have to cover the entire like big thing. So we're gonna use and add some milk here. So royal icing is supposed to be like wet. It's not supposed to be thick consistency. So not too much. Shouldn't be like running, obviously. And add a pinch of pumpkin spice. And then we're gonna mix it up. Maybe I'll add more milk, maybe I won't. Let's see. Depends. Or maybe I'm gonna end up adding more powdered sugar. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up adding more powdered sugar. Now, this is how it's supposed to look, sort of glossy and thick. It's a little slightly light brown because of the spices we add, obviously, but it's still gonna be fun to use and it's gonna have the same consistency and everything, so don't worry about that. And it's gonna taste amazing, so yeah. So I've got my gingerbread out of the oven. I need the star one. And I put my icing into this piping bag over here, and I tied it with a rubber band so it doesn't leak when I'm piping it. And I wanted to know like what ideas I can use to decorate my gingerbread man. And I got a few ideas here. So I was planning, so I have a few like decorating sugars over here. So I wanna just, I'm gonna try doing like this one maybe over here. I kind of want to copy that. So I'm gonna do like, let's see. I'm gonna try first. I'm scared. Can I do this? It's working. Okay. It's working. I'm making an eye. If you couldn't figure that out yet. So over here, what we did was I used a big nozzle for the eyes. I made a mouth and the fine details with like a fine thing. And then my dad thought that there was like this gummy bar. It's like it's called Fruba. It's like a guava gummy bar. Delicious. So we took the end of a piping nozzle and we made little holes for the buttons. And then I made, with the icing, I just made like a little bow, and then I sprinkled my green sugar. And the good thing about the sugar is that it doesn't have any artificial dyes. This has food dyes in it. And then I just like blew it off, dust off, and it was amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Merry Christmas, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video.